walk into a lot of schools that use a technique called the buddy classroom, and it's a very popular technique and it works quite well. But I want to twist that a little bit differently for you today. If you have a child who's acting out and you're having a hard time kind of teaching around them, and you send them to the buddy classroom. But what happens when 5 or 6 of them are acting out and popping up all over the place? You can't send them all to the classroom next door. So why can't we use the buddy classroom for ourselves? Think about this. I get 5 or 6 kids that are kind of popping up and one is really getting under my skin. And I'm human, so therefore I'm having a hard time not responding in a way that's just going to escalate the situation. So I say to myself, self, you need to go to the next door classroom and take a moment. So picture this. I open the door adjoining my classroom or next door or across the hall. And when that teacher, my colleague, my buddy, sees my face, they know exactly what's going on. They know that it's time for us to switch places for a couple minutes. So they automatically stop what they're doing. They come into my classroom. They talk to the kids, ask the kids, hey, what have you guys been studying lately? What's exciting? What's going on? And I talk to their classroom for a few minutes about what's exciting and what's going on. It's just enough time for me to see a new audience, for the kids to see a new adult face, and I get a chance to reset myself. So don't limit your buddy classroom to just for a place for the kids to get a place to kind of pull it together, but help each other. You know, the more we have each other's backs, the more effective we can be. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.